Hey guys, this is Trinity Roots and I'm coming at you guys really quickly. I'm at work in the lab as you can see, and hopefully no one comes in while I'm trying to make this video. Some of you are wondering where I've been. Trinity Roots, where are the hairstyles? Where are the work styles? Well, just so you know, this is how I've been wearing my hair to work all week long. Been kind of lazy this week. Just pulling it back in a headband. So you guys aren't missing out on anything. You can stop sending messages about needing more work styles. Next week I will be on the game, at least Monday and Tuesday when I have to go to work, because we're off for the holidays. But Monday and Tuesday I will come at you, well, probably just Monday. I'll probably wear the same style to work on Tuesday. But I'll come at you with another work style. How you guys doing otherwise? I hope you're doing great. I've been doing really well. You know, nothing to update you guys about. Actually, I do have an update. I'll be doing a review on a shampoo that I got coming up soon. I'll probably be washing my hair this weekend, so I'll be reviewing a new shampoo. If you guys have been watching my videos, you'll know that it's like, oh my gosh, someone's coming. You'll know that I usually use Dr. Bronner's shampoo, the peppermint kind, and I usually dilute it 1 to 4 parts water, 1 part shampoo, actually 3 parts, 1 to 3, 1 part shampoo and 3 parts water. But I've been noticing that I've been getting a bit of a buildup on my hair lately. It didn't used to happen before, but all of a sudden I've been getting like a film almost, and I can actually see it when I get out the shower. It's like a whitish film on my hair. And so what I did was, I was like, this can't work. And so what I was doing was, I was just giving myself ACV rinses after I shampoo my hair, but I don't want to do that every time I shampoo my hair. And so I purchased another shampoo. And then I thought, duh, just dilute the shampoo more. So I ordered the shampoo actually online, and then I thought to myself, after ordering, I can just dilute the shampoo. So what I did after ordering was I just diluted my shampoo, just like 1 part shampoo to 7 parts water. So it's just like cutting the recipe in half, and I didn't get the buildup. So if you're having the buildup problems with Dr. Bronner's, you may just need to dilute the shampoo some more. And it's still lathered up for me pretty well, and I didn't get the buildup. So I don't know what happened, why all of a sudden my hair decided to switch it up on me. I don't know, I just chalked it up to the locking process. Sometimes things change and we have to be able to change with it, you know, adjust, adapt. Anyway, so I'll be doing that review very soon. Probably, I don't know if I should do the review after a couple of washes or after my first time. Okay, what I'll do is I'll wash my hair initially, let you know my initial reaction to the shampoo, and then I'll just keep you guys updated. So keep posted on my videos. Let me know how you guys are doing. I'll be coming up with some hairstyles soon. And until then, see you later. Bye. So I'm back. I totally forgot to do the turnaround. So sorry. Turn around. Even though this isn't really a flashy hairstyle or anything, but hey, you may want to know what it looks like. So here I go. So much easier to turn around this chair because it has a whole swivel motion going. Alright, goodbye for real this time, guys.